How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to show you 3 explosive failures, and these are all captured on camera. My name's John and I give you regular updates on space and tech and sometimes failures, so let's check them out now.
2, 1. Ship engine startup. Stage separation. Boost back burn startup.
There we go.
Continuing, and that's a great view of ship continuing on its way to space. They're looking, that's inside the camera, inside the aft skirt.
We should see that coming up here momentarily.
Engines in startup.
This is going to come down to 3 engines as the booster slows down for its landing. And we just heard the sonic boom. What an incredible sight to see the super heavy booster gliding down into the chopstick arms once again.
And we just saw some engines go out. It looks like we are losing attitude control of the ship.
And here you can clearly see the debris starting to rain through the atmosphere.
Amazing, huh?
I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. If you have, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, because a lot of people love watching failed launches. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.